Hi, everyone. I did a masterclass on longevity. One of the things I talked a lot about was the role of diet, lifestyle, and things like that, and exercise. And one of the things that I want to emphasize is that there is a direct link between metabolic syndrome or insulin resistance. It has a lot of different terms, but it's essentially the same thing. And link between that and dysfunction of the immune system, inflammation, and increased or more rapid aging. Now, when I say inflammation, I mean increased mast cell activation, causing inflammation, and other cells that may be involved in the inflammatory pathways. So I think it is critical when we think about how to intervene for mast cell activation syndrome, right? How do we target it? How do we get it better, right? We talk a lot about eliminate triggers, and this is a profound trigger. How the body processes sugar, how the pancreas releases insulin, how the cells respond to insulin, really does affect it affects the development of mast cell activation syndrome and exacerbation of mast cell activation syndrome. So this is one key area that can be addressed, that can be concentrated on. Of course, you still may need other mast cell targeted therapies, but just managing blood sugar alone, whether that's through diet, through lifestyle, exercise, red light therapy, supplements, medications, maybe all the above. But this is a critical piece and if it is not addressed, I think that just serves for worsening immune function, worsening mast cell activation, and the continued sort of promotion of inflammaging, which is really that sort of inflammatory process that leads to the aging of our cells and the aging of our body. So I can't emphasize this enough. This is something that I talk a lot about, and I just want to make sure that people are thinking about checking their fasting insulin levels, checking their hemoglobin A1C, checking their glucose levels, thinking about what they're putting into their body, and finding the right diet for you. Thank you.